Hello everybody, here you got the LIGO cordless wet and dry vacuum cleaner, and pretty handy. Everything's all together. It comes of course with the hose. It's got two adapters, one's under there, one's on right now, and then you got this other one here, and it can also just be fixed up onto there. It's a 20-volt battery. Got a 20-volt battery in there and a little compartment to hold the charger. It comes with the filter inside, along with another mesh filter that goes on the inside. But a pretty good compartment, you can see there. And let's go ahead and try it out. You're pretty easy on and off switch. And if you got kids like we do, this is what the couch looks like under. So let's start it off. So it picks up debris, hair, dust. You can use it at home, at work, in your car, in your shop. So very versatile. And just want to share with you kind of what it looks like inside. Okay, and here's us picking up a wet spill. Easy as that. There you go. Enjoy.